G'day folks, today we're going to be taking a look at the Ulanzi macro lens for the DJI Osmo Pocket. This macro lens allows you to take magnified close-ups, both photos and videos, so let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So here's the lens here. It's actually pretty tiny. I don't know if I can get the camera to focus on it or not. This is a 10 times magnification lens for the Osmo Pocket. It allows you to go in and get some really extreme close-ups of things like insects and bugs, flowers, things like that. Now, all cameras have a minimal focal distance, and that's basically the distance you have to be away from something for the camera to be able to focus on it. So what happens if you try to get too close into something to try and get a photo or video, it's just going to be all blurry. Here's an example here. I'm trying to get a close-up of this flower, and you can see the camera just cannot focus on it. Once we throw on the macro lens, as you can see here now, the camera is able to get a focus. Installation is easy because it has a magnetic connection just like the ND filters for the Osmo Pocket, and it just clips on there just like that. Now personally, I recommend powering it on first before attaching the lens. When the gimbal goes to do its startup calibration, there is enough clearance there for the lens, but depending on the angle when it starts up, it could hit. So you're best to power it on and then just clip on the lens. Now if you're looking at the little screen there, I don't know if you'll be able to tell in this video or not, but if I'm trying to take a close-up of those individual blades, you can see it's just all blurry. As soon as we put on the macro lens, you can see I can get a nice crisp picture of all the blades of grass there. So I've been using this for a couple days now, playing around with it, and it actually works very well. And you can use this for taking both photos and videos. It works well in both modes. Because the viewing screen is so small on the Osmo Pocket, it's hard to tell when it's got a good crisp focus. Ideally, what I would recommend if you're using the macro lens, have it plugged into a phone, and that way you can tell for sure that you're focused. I did do some filming without it, and you can kind of tell, but ideally plugging in your smartphone, you have a nice big screen and you can really tell what you're filming and tell when it's in focus. The other thing is that because it's a 10-time magnification, any little movement is going to be greatly exaggerated, and you'll be able to see examples of that when I play some clips here in a minute. Any kind of shake on the camera, or even you trying to hold it, even though it's a stabilized gimbal, there's always a little bit of movement there, and that's greatly exaggerated. So ideally, if you can mount this on a tripod or something, if you're going to be filming, say, a ladybug on a leaf, if you can put this on a tripod in front of the plant where the ladybug is, then you'll get a much nicer stabilized shot. So let's take a look at some examples here. So yeah, it's a nice little product from Ulanzi. It's not too expensive, and it makes a nice little addition to your Osmo Pocket camera bag. Now, there is one thing I wish they had done with it. You don't get any kind of case with it when you do purchase it. It basically is attached to this foam piece and inside a little cardboard box. Now, of course, you could carry this around in your camera bag, but, then it's getting kind of bulky. It's taking up a lot of room for a little lens. It would have been nice if they included some kind of little case or little felt bag or something, just to keep it protected and so it doesn't kind of get lost in little crevices in your camera bag. Now, if you do have any of the ND filter sets from Freewell Gear or Polar Pro, this will fit into those sockets as well. So you could take out one of your ND filters if you're only bringing a couple with you and have your macro lens in that case as well. So yeah, folks, that's basically just a quick, simple video for the Ulanzi macro lens. It definitely is not for everybody. If you're not into macro photography, it really makes no sense to purchase one of these because there's nothing really else you can do with it except get extreme close-ups. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.